Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and today we are going to do a fun little transformation of the Roadster Pickup project. I can't bear looking at this thing with a nice original black paint bed and this mismatched rust/old paint cab. So we decided just for fun to today, we're going to sand the whole thing down and get it actually in some Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Plus, which is what we used on the frame. I mentioned in the last video, it gives a really nice kind of like old school look to the paint. It looks like old lacquer or something like that. A little bit of sheen, but not too much. I did a little polishing on the bed on the other side and compared to an area on the back of the cab that we painted. And I think the shade of the black is pretty darn close. And for this old jalopy shop truck, I think it will be just right. So today we're gonna get our paint brushes, our rollers, and a gallon of rust encapsulator, and we're gonna make this thing all one color. So let's get started.
Hey guys, just a quick interruption to today's video. This Sunday, July 31st, Matt will be doing his live Sunday service from the shop at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to join in for a short Q&A, a little tour around the shop, and some updates, and Matt's going to go over some of our upcoming events that we have going on towards the end of the summer, beginning of fall. So be sure to tune in. If you can't join in, it's always live on YouTube afterwards for you to view whenever you get the chance on Sunday. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on Sunday.
All right, so did a quick little project, got the Roadster Pickup all painted up. I went and did off camera the grill. I had to take it apart and just paint it up, and we made everything look perfectly shitty to match the bed. And I think overall, for a quick job, it made the truck look a lot better, and made everything match, which is the key here, because it just looked funny with the gray grill and the cab being a different color, etc., etc. So now it's all one color. The whole idea with this truck from the get-go was to have something that was fun, with parts that we had laying around, and not invest a ton of time or energy into this truck. That's why we've been using a lot of like just simple kind of bolt-on type parts for it, using some conversion kits from the old Yankee, and then just doing things the simple way, so to speak. So I think it is definitely achieving the like 1940s era kind of jalopy shop truck hot rod type deal that maybe a young guy or kid would throw together from just abandoned parts that were laying around, and this is what you get. So I don't know yet what we're gonna do for the side of the truck. We've been talking about, do we letter the cab or the bed or do something like that to just dress it up a little bit. We're gonna stare at a bit to try and decide that. Definitely down below, let us know what you think, what we should put on maybe the side of the doors, or maybe on the bed or something like that. I was thinking about maybe getting some wood cut to go on the top of the bed's sides. I'm not quite sure yet, but still have a bunch of work to do. The brakes are bled now, it steers, it's all one color. We got to work on plumbing the fuel system. We have that old keg that was converted into a gas tank many years ago for a stock car we're going to use, and just a couple other odds and ends we have to work on, like the wiring. And this thing will actually be drivable, at least a lot drivable around the property, which will be really exciting. So next couple of videos on this thing, it's gonna turn into a pickup pretty quickly, a roadworthy pickup, so to speak. So thank you guys for following along. Let me know what you think of the black paint job on the Roadster Pickup. Thanks guys, catch you later.